Capricorn, welcome again to another video. For today, let's check kung ano ang meron sa iyong month of September. Energy, mga blessings na paparating, messages, and advice for the month of September, Capricorn. But first, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga bagong followers, subscribers natin, at sa mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang energies through comments, liking our video, and subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. I see you. This is Capricorn for your Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and Saturn placements. At syempre, kung ikaw ay maraming Capricorn placements sa iyong chart, natal chart, birth chart, this video ay maaaring may messages, guides for you. Kung naka-resonate, gawing guides. Kung hindi naman, ibigay sa iba. Check also our videos sa ating YouTube channel. Let's see energies for the month of September. Capricorn. Energies for the month of September. Capricorn. The Magician. Magician, first card. Kaninang Capricorn ito? Nine of Pentacles. Two of Wands. The Star card. The Strength. Okay. We have Leo energy. So, possible na ikaw ay Capricorn Sun, Leo Moon, or Capricorn Moon, Leo Sun, or meron kang Leo, Capricorn energy. Okay. Energy na nakikita ko for Capricorn, you are creating something na gusto mong magbigay ng stability and financial freedom sa iyo. Meron dito lipat ng work, lipat ng environment, ng lugar, and mas nagkakaroon ka ng freedom to create or to follow your own decisions this month of September. Meron din ikaw wish fulfillment because of your bold actions. Capricorn, for some of you, nakakalimutan nyo rin magkaroon ng self-reflection. So, this month of September, ugaliin na magkaroon kayo ng month of reflection. Mag-reflect, alam mo yung, look at the bigger picture or step back and reflect. Medyo magkakaroon din dito ng energy of ego clashing. Could be at home or so work energy, pwedeng gusto mong patunayan yung sarili mo, or gusto mong ipaglaban na tama yung pinaglalaban mo, or tama yung pinili mo, pero deep inside you know na it's your ego speaking. Hindi talaga siya yung right for you, kung ano man yung decision na yan. And for some of you, this is love life. Yung pinili mo, pinipilit mo, tatama yan. And pinipilit mo na nagbibigay sa'yo ng stability yan. For some of you, pwedeng pairalin mo yung pride mo, kaya mas pipiliin mong umalis na lang kaysa ibaba ang pride. This is love and work related. Possible blessings and mga paparating for you, Capricorn. Possible blessings and other messages for Capricorn. We got Two of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, King of Wands, and Knight of Pentacles. For some of you, meron ditong energy of you need to speak more and face the truth. Kung ano yung nasa harap mo, kung ano yung kailangan mong malaman or gusto mong malaman, you have to face truth. And I can also see here, there's a consequence sa mga ginawa mong desisyon from previous months. Meron ako nakikita dito. Meron din ako nakikita, you might experience health challenges related. For some of you, may iniwan kang connection, may iniwan kang environment, physical, but emotionally you're tied or attached pa rin doon sa kung ano man yung tinapos mo. For some of you, sobrang nangingibabaw ang iyong ego dito, ang iyong masculine energy instead of listening sa iyong emotions. Don't get me wrong, Capricorn, ego and pride is good to fuel our yung drive to para abutin yung mga plano at gusto natin sa buhay. Pero minsan nakakasama din ang sobrang pride, sobrang ego, kasi hindi mo nakikita ang sinasabi sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Meron pagbagal dito when it comes to money increase, so better save for rainy days, or especially para sa health, mag-save. And for some of you, magpa-check kayo sa espesyalista kung may mga nararamdaman. Meron dito ako nakikitang father issues, masculine issues. Meron ako nakikitang conflict within the family because of your pride and ego. Minsan, ayaw mo silang pakinggan kasi alam mong tama, pero ayaw mo mapahiya. For your advice naman, ang mga possible blessings na nakita ko dito pa, merong money increase, but dahan-dahan yun. Mas magkakaroon ka ng freedom emotionally if you face the truth and clarity, or makikipag-usap ka sa mga taong nagbibigay ng bigat sa loob mo. Advice for Capricorn. The World. Four of Cups. The Tower. Ace of Wands. Five of Swords. Love energy. There's a betrayal. So, it's either ikaw to or yung partner mo. Meron ako nakikitang revelation when it comes to betrayal. For some of you, pwedeng layuan ka or layuan mo yung mga close mo na dati. For example, kaibigan mo. Separation from your person kasi nga merong betrayal dito. Despite sa new beginning na naganap. And for some of you, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng yun nga, pagbabago ng place. And advice naman, be polite when it comes to rejection. Be gentle when it comes to rejection. And forgive yourself kung ano man to. Be ready sa pagbabago ng environment. Grow up. Accept your mistakes, your flaws, for you to grow. And face challenges with clarity and honesty. So this is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nakatulong sa'yo, use it as a guide, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for us to keep uploading this kind of videos. Thank you again and see you on your next video.